Hi, welcome to Simple Bookkeeping. So this is Pamela, your bookkeeping spreadsheet guru, and I'm going to show you a quick overview of the bookkeeping spreadsheet to get you started. As you'll see in other videos, they go in a bit more in depth how to complete each section. So when you open up the spreadsheet, you'll see the first sheet in here is called Setup, and that's your company information at the top here, and below that the labels. So you just click into the relevant boxes, complete the details that it's asking for, and that's you done that section. Below the labels, you'll see they're broken down to expenses, income, payment, and VAT. The labels are what we regard as your accounting activities. So basically, all the different transactions that you'll have going in to your business and coming out of them. We've put in the basic generic types for you, but it's really up to you if these are relevant to your business or not, and you'll see in other videos how to change these. So in the next sheet we have your customer sheet, and we've kept it nice and simple for you. Each row is basically your customer. You just fill in the details as necessary, and you can use these drop down boxes to be able to filter through and find a relevant customer's details. Depending on which version of Excel you've got, this drop down here will look different. So then following on from customers, you've got your money in sheet. We just go back to the start. This is where you want to basically record all the money that your business is receiving and from which customer. So you just complete each row. Each row is a separate transaction. You can see here it's customer, income type, details, and so on, how much it's for. You don't have to put in a VAT amount if you're not VAT registered, so don't worry about that. We don't discriminate. It's really up to you. If you're VAT registered, then you'll fill it in. If you're not, then you won't. Scroll along and you'll be able to see that this piggy bank here is for reconciliation purposes, so you'll be able to match this information up with your bank statements and stay on top of any payments that you're owed or any that are outstanding. So following on from money in, you need to start thinking about money out, and this is your suppliers. Exact same layout as customers to keep it easy for you. Each row is an individual supplier. Again, you just fill in their details as necessary, and you can filter through to find a specific supplier that you need to. So then following on from your suppliers, just like the money in, you've got a money out. This is all your transaction, all your expenses that you have to pay, such as rent, rates, fees, and so on. So again, it's the exact same details that it'll ask for. If you scroll along, again, you'll be able to see the piggy bank function that we've put in here. This is for you to match up any reconciliations that you might carry out at the end of the month, and to see if there's any outstanding bills or expenses that you've not paid, and to really help you keep ahead and on top of your expenses. So you want to see a consolidated form of money in and money out, and that's on your net money report. So you'll see here an overall view of how your business is performing. This is a view only sheet, so there's nothing for you to fill in here. You don't need to worry about any formulas or whatever. We've done that for you, and you'll be able to see total, so overall how your business is performing for each section. So this is your money in and your money out down at the bottom here, and monthly, so you'll be able to see that here. So following on from the net money report, you'll be able to see the VAT report, and don't forget this is the VAT element only. So even if you're not VAT registered, this might be good for you. You might want to see how much VAT that you're paying out and how much VAT you're receiving. It may prompt you to register for VAT or have some queries about it. And again, you'll be able to see it's the same layout. Nothing to do, it's just for you to view to keep life nice and simple for you. So for a limited time only, you'll see that there's 2 invoice tabs here on the bottom, and this is a bonus. Here at Simple Bookkeeping, we definitely like to make your life simple. So we've done 2 professional invoices for you that you can issue to your customers. One's a VAT one and one's non-VAT, so depending on if you're VAT registered or if you're not. And you'll be able to see here that it's a nice looking invoice. When you print it out, it fits on an A4 piece of paper. This is the VAT one here, so you'll see that there's a VAT summary, the grand total that includes VAT, and you can pull your customers' details through. And like I said, there's a non-VAT version here for you as well. check out the other videos. They'll go into a bit more information for you on how to fill out each section. Thanks for watching, and we hope that you're enjoying our spreadsheet.